Hello everyone, we are Apurva and Sindhu, founders of Growth Circle, sharing today the inspiring story of a young entrepreneur who is breaking barriers and shaping her own path.
I am a creative director and a stylist. Going into fashion, I aspire to do a bigger fashion campaigns which can come over the magazines soon. And tell them that this is really something I want to do. Not an yes for everything. Just making sure that our work is right is not enough. Making sure I'm treated well. I am a creative director and a stylist, and now in the production, I take care of the creative parts with my partner Siddharth and the LOR. And comes in with a vision, and we make sure that is turned into reality. So from the idea to the output is taken. Right. So as I started into fashion styling, from there my interest was into creative direction. I started learning more about it, observing about it. From creative direction, I seek my interest in direction and screenplay. So I got an opportunity to do it. So I was learning meanwhile, which helped me in catching up with that. And now I'm working more on directions. From I come from. That pretty much it was understood that I'll be becoming an engineer, right? But then I tried speaking to my brother about it and told them that this is really something I want to do. See, until then we were doing it like a chapter, first standard to 10, plus 1, plus 2, right? That was the time where they saw me asking for them for something to really wanted, right? So they knew, and when I went in approach, this is very important. We go with a good research. That we are just not telling how would I want a fashion designing college. I went with full preparation that come loan from like where will I be able to find the college, everything, and then put it across it. I found everything, just help me go in. Of course, they were scared. Of course, they were not completely okay with it. But then my dad also comes from a very creative perspective, so he was like, okay, let it happen. My brother helped finding a college, and he was in Bangalore. So I got into college. It was being a woman, yes, there are challenges as XYZ in every industry, right? Here, especially when it comes to work, women are not looked up to a position as in every field, but they're grateful to have team around, right? To treat you equally.
Amazing.
It's very important to surround you with people who are uplifting people. Maybe not an yes for everything. Just making sure that our work is right is not enough. Making sure I'm treated well is also. I would say just go for it. Now we have a lot more sources, I would say. People can just research about it, Google about it, and take a year to experiment with it. I would not say this for everyone because people would have their own financial issues and all, right? But then part of it, if you are really feeling that you can do this, want to do it, why not experiment it for some time and give it a chance? At least if it is a no for you, you don't want to do it, you'll at least get an answer. Then rather than just feeling that I could have done this, I would have got it. Right? So go for it, and once you go, the universe will try to send you people around. I would say I'm actually very grateful. So things come around which makes me feel that I should step back and or did I take everything so quickly? As I told you, every year has been different for me. So I'm like, what is happening? Whatever you are imagining, is it too high and everything? But then for a minute, if you sit calm and at least talk to someone about what is happening, I have always realized I'm so grateful to God every opportunity and I need to respond to that. I will at your back, look at your work and achievements, appreciate your mistakes too, which has led me so far.
Sure.
Very happy about everything and anything now. There are a lot in the list, but to start with direction, I'm going to start more on short films, web series, and going into fashion, I aspire to do bigger fashion campaigns which can come over the magazines soon.
If you're also trying to solve a problem and working on your own startup, please do share about your ideas and what you're doing. We would love to know more about you and feature you in our upcoming episodes. And finally, please like, share, and subscribe.